Day 29, the passive voice. So from now, for the next 5 days, we will be doing passive voice. And today, we will cover simple present tense and simple past tense. How the active voice in simple present tense is converted into passive voice. Now, simple present tense is converted by the following rule. Very simple rule. In simple present tense, we use V1, and that changes to am, is, are, to the be forms. Remember again, the simple present tense, if it is set in V1, it changes to am, is, are, and all passive voices have V3 as a verb. Now, when we do the examples, we'll be doing a number of examples, and when we do the examples, this concept will become completely clear. Let's do exercise 1. Convert the following sentences in active voice on the left-hand side to passive voice in the right-hand side. The first 7 have been done. I drink milk every day. First one. Drink is V1. Now, the passive voice, the object becomes a subject. What's the object here? I drink milk. So, milk becomes a subject. Clear? So, milk is the subject. The first word is milk in the passive voice. Now, V1 becomes either am or is or are. Now, here milk is third person singular, so it becomes is. And drink, drank, drunk by me every day. Milk is drunk by me every day. How did we get that? Milk is the object which became the subject in the passive voice. Is used in simple present tense. The V1, drink, becomes is. And drink, drank, drunk. V3 is used for passive voice. So, milk is drunk by me every day. He drinks coffee every day. Here, V1 is drinks. That becomes, this is a simple present tense. And then you have coffee becomes is object, which becomes a subject in the passive voice. Coffee is drunk by him every day. They go to temple. Now, you can't say temple is gone. There's no passive voice here. You know, all the sentences don't have passive voice. You can know by the sentence whether it has a passive voice or doesn't have a passive voice. Fourth one, you know about me. I'm known by you. Fifth one, she greets everyone on New Year Day. Now, everyone is the object. That becomes a subject. Everyone is put first. Then, simple present tense, I told you, V1 becomes am, is, are. So, everyone is greeted by her on New Year Day. I lock the door daily. The door is locked by me daily. He hugs his father every morning. His father is hugged by him every morning. Seniors rag the juniors. Juniors are ragged by the seniors. V1 becomes am, is, are. V1 becomes am, is, are. V1 becomes am, is, are. Boys tease the girls. Girls are teased by the boys. He waves his flag. His flag is waved by him. Lalita types 20 pages every day. 20 pages are typed by Lalita every day. The God ignores our sins. Our sins are ignored by God. Teacher beat the children daily. Teacher beats the children daily. Children becomes a subject here. Children are beaten by the teacher daily. Children play cricket every day. Cricket is played by the children every day. The sun gives us heat and light. Heat and light are given by the sun to us. Children draw pictures well. Pictures are drawn by the children well. So it's very simple, isn't it? V1 becomes am, is, are, and V3 comes for all passive voices. We see stars in the sky every night. Stars are seen by us in the sky every night. Children speak the truth. Truth is spoken by children. Ravi visits Tirupati every year. Tirupati is visited by Ravi every year. The Congress government changes CMs every year. CMs are changed by the Congress government every year. So that completes the active voice conversion to passive. Now you can take some direct sentences in simple present tense in active voice and convert to passive. Now let's come to conversion 2. We have finished conversion 1. Conversion 1 was active to passive simple present tense, in which we have seen clearly that V1 changes to am is are and all passive voices have V3. Now we come to conversion 2. Active to passive simple past tense. In simple past we get V2. That changes to was, were. And all passive voice again have V3 as the verb. All passive voice has V3 as the verb. Convert the following sentences in active voice to passive voice. The first 10 have been done for you. I went to the market. No passive voice. You can't say market is gone by me. Second, he failed in the exam. No passive voice. 3, they brought flowers from me. Now look at this. They brought flowers. Flowers becomes a subject, isn't it? So flowers. Now V2 becomes was, were. Flowers is plural. So flowers were. V3, bring, brought. Flowers were brought by them for me. Fourth one, she came to the school by 9 o'clock. No passive voice. Rama killed Ravana. Ravana was killed by Rama. The government changed the syllabus. Syllabus was changed by the government. I parked my bike. My bike was parked by me. Monica saw a snake. Snake was seen by Monica. I forgot my marks. Marks were forgotten by me. They printed some books. Some books were printed by them. So you see, V2 becomes was were. V2 becomes was were. V2 becomes was were. We followed our principle. Our principle was followed by us. Pawan crossed a bridge. A bridge was crossed by Pawan. Teja counted the numbers. The numbers, plural, were counted by Teja. See, V2 is becoming was were. I hope you are noticing it clearly. I combed my hair. My hair, yes, was combed by me. The policeman caught the thief. The thief, now what happens to the B2? It becomes was were. Was caught by the policeman. Valmiki wrote the Ramayana. Ramayana was written by Valmiki. I read the newspaper today morning. The newspaper was read by me today morning. I heard a big noise. A big noise was heard by me. Shah Jahan built Taj Mahal. The Taj Mahal was built by Shah Jahan. Balaji bought a new dress yesterday. A new dress was bought by Balaji yesterday. Harsha completed the project. The project was completed by Harsha. She accepted my proposal. My proposal was accepted by her. He guided his subordinates. His subordinates were guided by him. I received a message. A message was received by me. V2 is becoming was were. V2 is becoming was or were. V2 is becoming was or were. The same thing again and again and again. You see, it's so beautiful and so clear. The thief entered into the house. So you can't say the house was entered by the thief. So that's it. That completes the first passive voice 1, in which we completed conversion 1 and conversion 2. Simple present tense, active voice to passive voice, and simple past tense, active voice to passive voice. Here also, in the conversion 2 also, you must take some sentences and you must convert those active voice sentences in simple past to passive voice. And how do you convert it? We change the V2 to was were. We reverse make the object the subject, and we put the V3. So I hope you understood and enjoyed it. Thank you.